Hi, in this video we will see the sixth case of OLL, and the sixth case of OLL is when you have two headlights on the sides. This one is on the side, this one is on the side, and you have two yellow pieces on top on the back side. So see this, yellow pieces are on the top on the back side, and on the front side the headlights are on the left and this is on the right, so the headlights are on the sides. So how to solve this case? Hold the cube so that keep this side towards your left, keep these two headlights towards your left, and then do R, so it's a small r, U, R prime, U prime, then small r prime, F, R, and F prime. So after this, see, the OLL is done. All the colors on the top layer are same. So this is how we solve this case. Thank you.